Maayong adlaw mga kahigalaan! Sa Chinese Star Restaurant in Al Ghurair Mall, Dubai, you can enjoy many options of Chinese food. This is not sponsored. Pagpasok mo pa lang, Asian feels na agad ang setting as if it's taking you to an outdoor dining area sa China or Japan. Pili ka lang dyan. Always matao dito kaya unahan sa tables and chairs. Ibang klase ang restaurant na ito dahil para siyang food court. It has different restaurants inside. You can also enjoy other Asian dishes gaya ng Japanese and Thai food. What we are more interested about dahil marami kaming nakikitang soup bowl na mukhang masarap ay galing pala sa pinakadulo ng food court, sa Fast Hot Pot. What's interesting dito is you can choose your own ingredients for your soup bowl. Kukuha ka lang ng bowl at ikaw mismo ang pipili ng mga gusto mong sahog sa iyong hot pot. You have a lot of options from different types of seafoods, beef, chicken, veal, at tofu. You can also choose the kind of noodles you want. Lagay mo lang sa bowl at titimbangin nila yan. And surprisingly, it is very affordable. It will look like this, depende sa option mo if spicy or normal. Pinipilahan ang mga outlets dito at maraming options at paniguradong masarap dahil mahaba ang mga pila. Hindi nakakagulat na halos puro kabayan ang makikita mong kumakain dito dahil mahilig tayong kumain. Check mo ngayon, for sure maraming kumakain. We enjoyed it so much to the point na nakalimutan namin i-video mostly ang pangyayari at least ito yung itsura nung kakalapag pa lang ng soup namin sa table. Do not forget na may option of sauces sa pinakadulo din sa right side noong stante ng Fast Hot Pot kasi that will also elevate the taste of your soup. Ito na lang yung natira sa hot pot namin and tinatry talaga naming maubos ito. But anyway, it was a good experience, masarap ang food, and you can order for other dishes as well if you like. Paniguradong babalik kami dito kasi nabitin kami sa experience namin kasi nakikita namin yung ibang table may iba't ibang klaseng pagkain pa na dapat namin itry. But of course, this one at that time is enough. So habang kumakain ako, chine-check ko kung anong klaseng pagkain ang meron sila. Kaya naubos din namin pero naubos namin 95%. Yan na lang natira. To cap off our dinner, tinry namin itong coffee milk tea daw. Pero when we tasted it, gulaman pala at lasang muscovado sugar. Kaya hindi namin naubos. So mga ka-wonders, worth it ang pagbisita ninyo dito. So if you're coming from outside of Dubai, i-try nyo ang Chinese Star Restaurant sa Al Ghurair Mall. Enjoy and let us know your thoughts about it. Put your comments down below.